Hello, welcome to our trading channel. This is Steve from peakbinaryoption.com. This is a VIP client's Nadex account. I placed big trades on GBP USD pair. US dollar is trending weak recently as many countries try to avoid using US dollar in international trade. We placed this trade when our trading system shows strong high chance signal. If your account below $50,000, don't place so big. You can try to place reasonable trade size according to your balance. I will close the trades before expiry to lock profits as the short 5 minutes market change very fast. Many times, the profitable trades can run into losing one if you are greedy to wait for expiry. Thanks for watching.